When many of us hear about the Maya, we often think of ancient people who mysteriously vanished over 1,000 years ago in the rainforests of Mesoamerica. What many people do not realize is that there are millions of Maya people alive today, speaking nearly 30 different Mayan languages in southern Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, and El Salvador. Yet all of these cultures share a common heritage that includes remarkable achievements in the arts, agriculture, astronomy, calendrics, and one of the most beautiful and complex writing systems the world has ever seen. Following the European invasion 500 years ago, the Maya were forbidden to read and write in their ancestral script, and all knowledge of it was largely lost to time. Despite this, Maya cultures and languages have survived and thrived, though they are continually threatened by the pressures to assimilate. In educational systems that have valued only European history, they learn very little about the history of their own people prior to colonialism, and they're made to feel as though their own rich history is unimportant, as if it contributed very little to the modern world. In the past few decades, archaeologists and epigraphers have made significant strides in the decipherment of the Maya hieroglyphic script. In the 1990s, Maya community members began to ask epigraphers to share their newfound knowledge with them, and from this fruitful exchange emerged our nonprofit organization, Mayas for Ancient Mayan. We help to support our Maya colleagues in their efforts to learn and teach one another to read and write in the hieroglyphic script of their ancestors, and we rely exclusively on the generous donations of people like you to make this possible. Many Maya scholars have now become expert epigraphers themselves, and they're making a profound difference in the lives of Maya teachers, students, and children who are for the first time learning about the history, writing, arts, and sciences of their ancient ancestors. In several Maya sites like Iximché, Maya communities have proudly begun to raise stone stelae again, written in their own Mayan languages. In July of this year in Huehuetenango, Guatemala, 100 Maya scholars from throughout the Mundo Maya will hold the 4th International Congreso on Ancient Maya Writing, or Ojer Mayatzib. This event relies on the support of generous donors like you. Help us to support our Maya colleagues in their exciting and historic efforts to rediscover their cultural heritage. My name is Dr. Michael Grofe. Thank you very much for your help. Sibalach Maltiosh.